Hello and welcome to my new course, Python for DevOps Automation, CICD and 100 plus coding exercises. I'm excited to have you here. In this course, we will learn Python step by step. We will begin with the fundamentals of Python and gradually move on to the advanced topics, including automation and using Python for cloud computing. By the end of this course, you will know how to use Python to solve real-world problems and simplify your work. Why Python so popular today? Python is one of the most widely used programming languages. It's easy to learn and highly versatile. It can be used for web development, data analysis, automation, artificial intelligence, robotics, and much more. Many companies seek professionals who know Python because it enables faster and smarter work. Who is this course for? This course is for anyone who wants to learn Python, whether you are a complete beginner or new to programming. We will start with the basics to help you build a strong foundation. If you are an intermediate learner and already familiar with some Python, you will find advanced topics and practical projects to deepen your knowledge. This course is also ideal for IT professionals, DevOps engineers, anyone interested in automation and cloud technologies, application developers as well. I am Shikhar Verma and I will be your instructor for this comprehensive journey through Python, from the basics to advanced automation techniques used in real-world DevOps environments. I work as a freelancer on IT-based projects, including designing and developing certified courses, writing content, and making both offline and online projects for reputed companies. I also worked in the IT industry for over 15 years before starting my own business. My goal is to make learning Python with fun, practical, and easy for you. Thank you.